In this tutorial, you'll learn how to purchase a ticket for an event on the Bizzll platform. From the main navigation menu, go to the Events section to see the list of the latest available events. You can also check events organized by a specific business by visiting its company page within Bizzll. Once you find an event that interests you, click on it to access its event page. On the event page, click the Get Ticket button. Next, select the type of ticket you'd like to purchase from the available options. After selecting your ticket, the system will redirect you to the shopping cart. On the cart page, click Checkout. Enter your billing details and your credit or debit card information. Click Complete Purchase to finalize your payment. If the payment is successful, an invoice will be generated and displayed on screen. Additionally, a copy of the invoice will be sent to the email address you provided. You can view all your tickets from your user dashboard. There, you'll see the events for which you have active tickets, as well as past events you've attended. That's how easy it is to buy a ticket for an event on Bizzll.